All right, folks, there's a live look outside over Discovery Green. Such a lovely day. So welcome back to the show. Now that we are almost a month into 2018, how are those resolutions going? Many of us vowed to live a healthier lifestyle this year, maybe to eat better or to work out. But how often do we think about sleeping and how that can affect our health? Well, it certainly can. And the founder of Texas Mattress Makers is here to explain how sleep can actually affect your overall health. Hi, Yuval.
How are you?
Yuval Michler. I'm well. It's
Happy
good to
New
see
Year.
you.
I haven't seen you since last year.
I know. It's been a while. It feels like forever. So listen, we always have a really good time together on the show.
Very good time.
A very good time together. I love that you've taught me so much about mattresses and our viewers as well. But sleep, this is a very serious topic because 1 out of 3 Americans doesn't actually get enough sleep.
That's true. And in today's world, believe it or not, one of the main reasons that they don't get enough sleep is all of the technology. All of your cell phones and your iPads and those things, what do you call them, that you read books with?
Like a Kindle, an iPad.
Exactly. Those are very bad to have when you go to bed.
But also, I mean, mattresses play a huge role because you guys at Texas Mattress Makers, you believe it's not just about falling asleep. A lot of people have trouble falling asleep. But once you fall asleep, it's also about the quality of the sleep that people are or are not getting, right?
For you to sleep well, you have to have a good surface. You have to have a surface that actually supports you. So we're both males. I'm better looking. Don't get upset. But we're not built in the same manner. So in reality, we will not be as comfortable on the same surface. So we build the surfaces to actually accommodate the silhouette of your body. If you can lay down, whether it's on your side, on your back, on your stomach, whatever it is that you like to sleep, not that what you compensate for, but what you really like to sleep, then you will sleep well. And if your surface is done well, and accommodates your comfort level, you will sleep much, much better. You'll feel better. You'll be healthier. You'll be nicer. You'll have a better disposition. Your memory will be better. You will lose weight. Your blood pressure will go down.
Well, and you can tell, by the way, that Yuval is very passionate about this. We're seeing some video right now of the Texas Mattress Makers location that is over near downtown off Navigation. And guys, if you haven't been in the showroom, this is what makes them different than everyone else. Obviously in Houston, you know, we know mattress stores are on almost every single corner, right? And when you walk into just any mattress store, they just want to sell you a product, right? But you guys build everything from the ground up. And it's not just you, but your staff members. They are so knowledgeable.
You got 63 people that are involved on a daily basis on production of mattresses.
So they know everything that goes into that.
Everything. We sell mattresses, but we are not what you would call a retail mattress store. We don't approach it in the same manner. We're interested in having you get what you need, not what we have.
By the way, there is a new location. Congratulations. You guys just opened your newest location out in Katy.
Right.
So folks, this is great news because if you can't drive downtown, this location in Katy is now in your neighborhood just off 3rd Street. And oh, that's Lax. Lax is a guy, so full disclosure, I have 2 of your mattresses in my house, the master bedroom and the upstairs guest room. When Brandon and I got home from our trip over the weekend, we kept saying on the plane, we can't wait to get home to sleep in our bed. And I know we're not alone. In fact, you guys are so good at what you do, you caught the attention of Tillman Fertitta. If you guys watch $1 Billion Buyer, I can see the look of fear in your eyes.
You should watch
tomorrow night on CNBC, guys, at 9 p.m., you can watch this guy on $1 Billion Buyer. We're going to actually roll a clip from the show. You haven't seen this yet, so we're going to show you and our viewers. Let's roll it.
This is where we manufacture. This is an encasement. This is the first step in every quality mattress. The guys here make 1 tub every 6 minutes. We'll show you how to do this.
All right.
Are we timing him?
Yeah. Hurry up.
Not like that?
Not like that. Feel like that.
All right, I need this one right here. Let's go. Let's go. We got to move. You know, I have to make so many of these an hour. I don't get paid.
A little more here. It's the most amount of fun you're going to have today, I promise. We're done. Actually, you did very well. It's less than 6 minutes.
Okay, you guys are now on a reality show? What? That is super cool.
It took them about 30 years to figure out that I'm a reality star, and
Yeah.
they decided to do it.
Dude, don't be surprised if there is the Yuval Michler spinoff, folks. Hey, so we also, next time you guys are here, I want to show another clip too, because in the episode, you also talk about the way you guys were personally affected by Hurricane Harvey. You didn't have power for a week. You couldn't make any mattresses. Yet when you guys went up into production again, you made so many mattresses that you helped people recovering from Harvey with. So we totally appreciate that. By the way, we want to put some information on your screen right now, because not only are they the best mattress you can buy, but there's always a great sale going on right now. You can save 25% off select mattresses. And again, there are 2 locations, and these prices are on top of your regular prices, which are already completely low, because you're straight from the factory, because the factory is in-house.
That's correct. You cannot buy the mattresses that you would buy from us, the Texas Mattress Makers. Equal product for the amount of dollars that you can buy it from us.
Yeah,
Just
absolutely.
not possible.
I'm a believer. I sleep well every single night. A reminder, there's the information on your screen right there. You can visit Texas Mattress Makers online at texasmattressmakers.com. And the phone number is 713-341-6252. Also, as we mentioned, they now have 2 locations. So exciting. One near downtown Houston off Navigation, and their newest showroom located in Katy off 3rd Street. So, Yuval, thank you so much, my friend.
It's my pleasure.
And
I like your tie.
thank you so much.
No, you look very nice.
Oh, thanks, Nordstrom Rack. Also, tomorrow night on CNBC, 9 p.m., you can watch $1 Billion Buyer. You'll see Yuval on there. Hey, after the break, now that we've covered our sleep resolutions